Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Facebook two-factor authentication. So let's dive in. So let's go to our Facebook. You go to your Facebook, click on your Facebook, then you click on your profile menu here and you click on settings. When you click on settings, you scroll down here, you see password and security. Press your password and security and you come here and see your password and security again. You press it, you can see, then you see your two-factor authentication. Now let's set our two-factor authentication. So click on your provider you want to set up. You're asked to provide your profile, your password. So let's provide our password now. Our password. Let's continue. Oh, the password is incorrect. Okay, let me put the correct password here. Let's see. Okay, so I've put in my password and you see that sent email to this. So I'm going to go and check my email and put the code. So let's go to our email now to go and check it and put the code. So you go back to your email, just minimize and go to your email, search your email here, email. Okay, let's say it as Gmail. Search your Gmail here. Is it? Click on it. Then you're going to see the code sent to your Gmail. So I'm going to log into my Gmail. Okay, so you're going to see the code now. This is it. I'm going to see the code that Facebook sent to me now. This is my Gmail. Let me go to my primary here to see my Gmail. Alright, I'm searching for the code. Okay, so I did not see the code, so let me just go back to my Facebook. In case you did not see the code sent to you through your Gmail, go back to the Facebook and go on try another way. So if I try another way, I'll just say this should send you a WhatsApp code to my WhatsApp number. So I'm going to click on that and you continue. So it's either you use your email to get your verification code or you use your WhatsApp to get your verification code. So they have sent a code to my WhatsApp now. So I'm going to go and search my WhatsApp and you're going to get what? You're going to see it. So now let me go back to my WhatsApp. I'm going to go back to my WhatsApp now. Yeah, so let's search my WhatsApp to go and see the code Facebook sent to me for my two-way verification. So let's go to our WhatsApp here. This is my WhatsApp. Alright, this is my WhatsApp here. So I'm going to click on my WhatsApp and I'm going to say Facebook. Say this is it. The code has been sent to my WhatsApp very easily. Now just copy the code. Then you go back to your Facebook where we are doing your two-way verification. Click on it. Then you're going to enter the Facebook. Just right click like this. Then you paste. Then you click on continue. Okay, you can see. So choose your security method I want to use. I'll provide my SMS through my WhatsApp if I have any problem with my account. So you click on next. So they ask you that you select a phone number that you will use to be for your two-way verification. So if you want to add another number, if this number is not going to be available, don't use the number. Make sure you use the number for your two-way verification authentication. The number that you know is going to be forever used. So I'm going to click this number because it is my number, and you click on next. Okay, so they have sent a code to that number that you use for your two-way factor authentication. So I'm waiting for the code now. I've sent the code there now. Okay, so the code has entered my phone and it's going to automatically fill. You see, just copy and I'll paste it here. Okay, so I've pasted the code. Then you click on next. Now click on next. And done. We have do our two-factor authentication is on. So it is very easy and very fast. So if you found this video interesting, click the like button, share and comment.